Let me paint a picture for you. You're walking out onto the tarmac. There's your new business jet, sleek, polished, powerful. You're not just thinking about convenience or luxury, you're thinking about tax savings, because this year, thanks to the latest federal spending bill, the aircraft might be one of the smartest investments your business can make. My name is Santiago Cueto. I'm a board-certified international business law expert, a business attorney based in Florida, and the author of the best-selling book, Winning Lawsuits in Florida, a tactical guide for business owners and corporate executives. So here's what's going on. Earlier this month, as part of what's now being called One Big Beautiful Bill, Congress brought back something business owners have been missing: the 100% bonus depreciation for certain capital investments. And yes, that includes business aircraft. That means if you buy a qualifying jet and start using it this year for business purposes, you can write off the entire purchase price in the first year. All of it. Not over 5 years, not over 6, immediately. Now, for many business owners, that changes everything. This isn't just a perk for Fortune 500 CEOs. I've had clients with regional businesses, consulting firms, logistic companies, real estate funds ask me whether buying an aircraft makes sense. In the past, we talk about depreciation timelines and complex tax planning, but now the incentive is simple, powerful, and immediate. That jet becomes a legitimate tool for savings on taxes and unlocking cash flow. This kind of deduction could free up hundreds of thousands of dollars in a single year. That's money that could be reinvested into your team, your infrastructure, your marketing, whatever helps your business grow. I know what some people are thinking. Isn't this just a break for the ultra wealthy? Honestly, no. It's a break for anyone operating a real business with real travel needs. It's for business owners who are flying clients across the country, visiting suppliers, scouting new markets. These aren't people buying jets for show. They're buying tools to compete. And now the tax code is finally reflecting that reality. Of course, just because the tax break is there doesn't mean it's automatic. The IRS is going to want to see that you're using the aircraft primarily for business. That means good records, a clear flight log, and a documented plan for how that jet is helping your company grow. Timing matters too. You have to make sure the aircraft is placed in service this year to qualify. That means not just purchasing it, but actually using it in your business operations. This is where having the right legal and tax team in your corner makes all the difference. Because if you set it up properly, the savings are real. But if you don't, dot the I's and cross the T's, you could be looking at an audit or worse. Now I want you to imagine how this could apply in your world. Maybe you've got a growing team and you're constantly flying commercial to visit clients. Maybe your competitors are already leveraging private aviation to cut down on lost time and missed opportunities. Or maybe you're just trying to figure out how to make a smart, tax-efficient capital investment in a year when the market is shifting fast. Whatever your situation, this is one of the moments where strategy meets timing. The federal government has essentially put a giant sign on the runway that says, if you've been thinking about making this move, now's the time. Look, I know a lot of business owners are still playing defense after the past few years, but this new tax incentive, it's a chance to play offense. It's a chance to make a strategic investment in speed, in flexibility, in professionalism, and get a huge tax benefit in the process. So if a business aircraft has ever been on your radar, this is the moment to take it. Seriously, have the conversation, run the numbers, talk to your legal and tax team, because with the right structure and the right planning, this law could put you in the pilot seat of a smarter, leaner, more competitive business. I'm Santiago Cueto. Thank you for listening, and as always, I'm here to help you navigate the runway of business law and turn opportunity into real momentum.